This unit is our Side-Shift Depalletiser. This one unit can take all of these drums off the pallet without moving the pallet. The mechanism here, if we pump the handle, we get lift. We can also undo this and we can move to any position. So let's start off with this steel drum. We wheel into the pallet. We move this to the center of the drum. Then we lower down, pump the handle, put this into neutral, we take the drum off. What we can do now is you can move the drum to the right and lower down. As soon as the weight is off the unit, we release the catch. This then can slide. What we can do now is we can take off this Mauser drum by changing the catch setting at the front. We'll show you a close-up of this during the video. It's very quick and easy to do. When we pump the handle now with no weight, it goes up at 3 times the speed. So it's very quick to operate. Wheel over the pallet. Adjust again for the center line of the drum. Push forward. Pump the handle. Select neutral. What we can do now is move this across. We're now looking at the top catch. So this one here just free moves up and down, and this one is the one that goes under the drum. So this goes under the lip of the drum, and then when that's under the lip, this one goes over the top. It's an automatic operation. It just literally goes up, connects to the drum. It's very simple. We can also move this hook forward for drums with a bigger lip. So we remove this pin here. You have different settings, which I'll show you in a moment. So we remove the R pin, hold on to the hook and take it out. So this is the hook, and basically we move it into a front position here. Just refit the pin, put your R clip back in. Now what we have now is we have a bigger gap here. It's a lot bigger gap on this front, and that caters for the big lip of the drum. So it's very easy. We can also change the height. We can move it down to different rungs for different heights of drum. So again, we have another pin down here. Move that pin. You just lift the catch up, pull it out. If I move it sideways here, you can see these pin positions. So the hook, this one, is on the front one. We can move it to there, 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 or there. So there's lots of different options for different styles of drums. So we're going to lower this down to the next one, and we just literally go in. That drops down. Refit the pin, and that's now suitable for a shorter Mauser drum. We're now looking at the bottom of the ladder rack, and we have this kick plate here, and this you can actually fold out, and this pushes the drum out at the bottom. It's really to keep the drum more vertical if you were palletizing drums, but for most applications it's best to actually just fold this out the way, keep it out the way, and this gives you more clearance. So this is how it should be most of the time, unless you have a need for a more vertical drum.